Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be here today. I would like to share with you my favorite website with Amazon.com. Before I start, let me ask you a quick question. How many of you have ever bought something online? Well, Amazon is one of the biggest live shopping platforms in the world, and it has changed the way people shop. To be to begin with, Amazon main purpose is to provide a marketplace where people can buy and share all kind of products. The website has a very simple and clear design. The background is white, the text is black, and the product is made up colorful. At the top, you always see the search bar. On the left, there are category and in the middle, product recommendation appear. It also has hybrid customer review and secure payment method. Although it doesn't sound or imitation, this makes the website simple, fast, and easy to focus on products. I usually visit to Amazon to search for both electronic or clothes. For example, last month I bought an English learning book and it arrived very quickly in the 3 days. I was like comparing price and reading review before making a decision because it helped me save money and choose better products. Of course, Amazon is not perfect. Sometimes shipping fee and can high. Delivery uh, delivery may take longer and international order and they avoid a risk or reason being fake or low quality products. However, customer review and refund policy makes it safer compared to many other websites. In the future, I hope Amazon will add more smart shopping assistant or personalized recommendation to make the experience even better. To sum up, Amazon.com is my favorite website because it saves me time, give me many choice, and make shopping more convenient. So me answer a question. Is it good only or something from Amazon right now? What would it be? Thanks for listening, and I hope you find Amazon as useful as I do.